Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by selecting your favorite chili peppers. Cayenne offers a medium heat, while habaneros bring a fiery kick. You'll also need white vinegar, a few cloves of garlic, and a pinch of salt. These core ingredients form the foundation of a delicious, homemade hot sauce perfect for drizzling over your pizza. We'll combine these simple items to create a vibrant and flavorful condiment that elevates every slice. Now let's prepare our ingredients. Carefully wash and roughly chop your chili peppers, removing the stems. You don't need to be precise, as everything will be blended later. Mince about 2 to 3 cloves of fresh garlic. Combine the chopped peppers, minced garlic, and 1 cup of white vinegar in a saucepan. Bring this mixture to a gentle simmer over medium heat, allowing the flavors to meld. After simmering for about 15 to 20 minutes, your peppers should be tender. Carefully transfer the hot mixture to a blender or food processor. Blend until it reaches a completely smooth consistency, which usually takes about 1 to 2 minutes. Next, strain the blended sauce through a fine mesh sieve into a clean bowl, pressing down on the solids to extract all the liquid. This step ensures a silky smooth texture. Now for the final touches. Stir in about 1 teaspoon of salt, tasting and adjusting as needed. You might also consider adding a half teaspoon of sugar or a squeeze of fresh lime juice to balance the flavors. Once seasoned to perfection, pour your homemade hot sauce into a clean, airtight bottle. It will keep well in the refrigerator for several weeks, ready to add a spicy kick to all your pizza nights.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.